it's John from Action Services, and right now I want to talk about different type of landscape materials which could be used as the walkways, driveways, or patio spaces. What you see here is a Belgium type of product. This stone is from Interlocking and it's called Town Hall. We build a permeable driveway out of it. Now, right after this, you would see a really nice contemporary border, which is a different product, which is called Embriana. On this specific project, we really wanted to show how contemporary design could be working together with traditional, as well as typical English type of dry gardens, Japanese den gardens, as well as other landscape products. So we really wanted to show how you could go from something super contemporary to something very traditional to create this unique and timeless incorporation of flow of different materials, but at the same time, we can accomplish truly remarkable project. Right after our walkways, we have our really modern type of slabs. This is very popular right now, and we're installing this product a lot on different jobs, from walkways to driveways to backyards as well. And then right here, we will be moving to something super unique. We have a stepping stones with artificial turf laid around them, all laid on a 45-degree angle, which creates a really unique look. This area will be really good for loungers, for cool entertaining areas, for really cozy movie nights in your backyard. And right behind me, we've got a really timeless product. We're now moved on to a granite walkway, which works as a centerpiece and a main walkway area. You can see how a man-made product could actually be nicely matching with a natural stone, and they both can complement each other and they can both work great together. If you're looking for some ideas of what is possible to be built in your backyard, or how many materials can be combined in one unique backyard or front yard, Action Services has the full design expertise to help you out.